Hey guys, it's Mashaba, and I'm sorry if I scared you because I don't have my eyebrows on yet, and I naturally don't have any eyebrows, so I'm basically bald right now. Today's review is going to be on the brand new Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is a part of their street style brow collection. I was able to get my hands on their brow blade. Brow blade, try saying that 10 times, it's actually really hard to say. So what makes this different from most eyebrow products, I'm pretty sure there's some eyebrow products like this out there, but your typical eyebrow pencil is that this comes with two sides, which is why it's called brow blade. I don't know how to say that shit. So on one side, it comes with this micro pencil tip type of thing right here, and this is supposed to get in all the precise areas and kind of fake like you have eyebrow hair, even though you don't, which is literally me. And then the other side is kind of like a stain. It looks a lot like eyeliner, which is really interesting. I never used anything like this, so this kind of scares me. This is the swatch for the micro brow side, and this is the swatch for the stain looking side right here. This is really not as opaque as I thought it would be, but like it's not eyeliner, so that makes sense. So I'm gonna read the claims that it says on the website. This gives you microblade definition and precision without the commitment. Honestly, I think microbladed brows look kind of bad, so I don't know how I feel about that. Get microblade precision without the commitment. Brow blade gives you defined flawless arches that are the definition of brow goals. This double-ended tool is revolutionary. Okay, start with the waterproof pencil to shape, shade, and fill in sparse areas. Then use the microblade ink stain to create hair-like strokes and add dimension. It's the ultimate solution for pro-level faux brows. You're welcome. Okay, let's see if I will thank you. Apply to clean skin without foundation or primer on the area, and start with the pencil, which prevents the ink formula from shifting colors. We suggest applying brow finish or all-nighter setting spray immediately after brow blade. Okay, I ain't got the setting spray, so screw that, I'm too broke. This is kind of weird. I have to start with clean eyebrows, so no primer or anything on it, so I'm gonna just take this tissue paper shit and wipe the area of my brows. This is really weird. Normally when I see Instagram videos using stuff like this, I normally see people go in with the stain side first, like they kind of draw a line underneath and then fill it in, and that's what I expected going in first, like. So I'm gonna start with the micro side first because that's what it said to do, so I'm gonna zoom you bitches in. I'm scared because now you can see how ugly I really am because you're very up close and I don't like that. Directions said to fill this in, basically shape it using the micro side and then fill it in with hair-like strokes using the stain side. So that's what I'm gonna try to do here. One thing that's really disappointing is that this is the first eyebrow product that I've ever used that doesn't come with a spoolie, because a spoolie is probably the most important thing besides the product when filling in your eyebrows. So that's kind of annoying that I'm gonna have to carry my favorite product with this to even use a spoolie with it. So I don't know, that's already a big red flag for me, especially because I'm horrible at changing my favorite products. So hopefully this is one of my favorite, hopefully this is worth it. So now I'm gonna fill in everything. So far I like the pigment. I think the color is a little bit off for me, but that's my fault because I got the shade Cafe Kitty. I think I should have gotten a shade darker because I feel like the undertone is off, like my eyebrows. Do you see that? This looks kind of brown and chocolatey, whereas my eyebrow is just straight up brunette. So I don't know how I feel about that, but so far I like the pigment. It's very pigmented. I like that a lot, but it's not so pigmented that it feels like you're gonna get Sharpie eyebrows. So now I'm just gonna brush through that. I didn't really go in on this area yet because that's where we're gonna do the hair-like strokes using the waterproof stain side. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows upward so I can fill in more gap places. I'm scared, but so far this is going a lot better than what I expected. Okay, this doesn't look bad, so I'm gonna continue brushing that in. See, this is why I normally don't do eyebrows on camera, because this is like the most boring shit of life. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get so far. So if I were to leave the house like this, I wouldn't be mad, but I definitely want to fill in this part. So I'm gonna take the stain side and see how that works. This is gonna scare me. I'm scared. I think this is the part where I'm gonna fuck up, but we're gonna take our time. We're just gonna go a little more product at a time. I'm not just gonna go in like crazy. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm doing it. I'm doing it, I'm doing it. I'm so scared, I'm so scared. This looks so pigmented. I can see this looking ugly really fast. Okay. Okay, it doesn't look too bad if you brush it out. Man, I just don't want to look like I have a Sharpie eyebrow. I don't want these bitches to know how fake I really am. I'm just gonna fill in further sparse areas. Okay, I'm gonna brush that through now. Sorry if that part looks red. That's partially because I'm brushing through it a lot and also because of my acne, so sorry about that. Honestly, that wasn't so bad using the ink part. If you work really quickly, then you could do it. Just go in and brush the shit out of your eyebrows and it's not that bad. But I have a feeling if you wait on this product and if you just let it sit and then you brush it through, then I have a feeling you're fucked. So definitely go in really fast with the spoolie. Okay, now I'm gonna go in back with the other side just because it still looks a little bit bald in some areas. Gonna go over that just to make it look a little bit more natural so it doesn't look too microbladed or crazy, because I don't know, even though microblading is a trend, it honestly doesn't look that good. Like, it just looks like a tattoo on your eyebrow and that's not what I want my eyebrows to look like. Okay, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna do my other eyebrow. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna fast forward through it because I don't want to bore you guys too much, but I still want you guys to see it. So let's cue the music, the boringness, let's go. So this is what the finished eyebrows look like. I hope I don't scare children now because without eyebrows I look a lot worse, so this isn't too bad. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend anyone new to makeup to go into this because you have to work really fast with this. I feel like if I just let it sit, it would just look like a big blob or stain on my eyebrows, and I don't want that shit to look like that because I don't want to look weird. So I feel like this is not the easiest product to work with, but also it's not a bad product at all. Like, I do like how my eyebrows look like. It's not too different from how I normally want them to look like, and I think it's pretty good. I think it's not bad at all. Is this gonna replace my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer? Probably not. I probably will use this every day just because I bought it and I do want to use it, you know, just to get my money's worth because I don't want to feel like I wasted my money. But I wouldn't say this is something that is my favorite thing of all time. I think it's pretty good. I think if you really want a bold, defined looking eyebrow, and if you really do like ink stain products, then I would say go for it. But personally for me, I'm not really into stains because they are kind of harder to work with, unless it's on the lips though, because ink stains on the lips are really pretty. I think it's really good, but it's not, you know, my pussy isn't dripping. That's not the best shit ever. I have to admit though, the packaging is really pretty. Like, it is so pretty. This is so stunning. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you then. Bye-bye.